Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this golden brown, crispy and flavorful baked chicken in the oven. To get started, these are the seasoning we're going to use to make this chicken taste awesome. We have garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, cumin and thyme. Mix your seasoning together until they get well combined. Next, pour vegetable oil or butter onto the chicken and rub it all over the chicken. The purpose of oil is to help the seasoning stick to the chicken. Next, sprinkle the seasoning into the chicken. Make sure the seasoning is spread every part. Flip over and add the remaining vegetable oil, and continue adding the seasoning to cover all parts. Make sure the seasoning gets in for a flavorful taste. Next, brush the pan or baking tray with vegetable oil or butter. For me, I'm using paper towel. You can as well use brush. Then put the chicken into the pan or a baking tray. Now pour some melted butter right onto the chicken to moisturize it and add flavor. Then move on and bake it for 170 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Once it's done, you have a beautiful golden brown with a crispy skin chicken. Hope you guys try this recipe, and once you know, you'll be making your own chicken at home. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.